Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Phaneendra. In this video, we are going to discuss about tsbie model paper mathematics-2a. So section by section, section A, section B, section C, we will discuss. In section A, they will give 15 questions. You have to write any 10. So we will discuss the questions. Let us have a discussion. The first question. Write the multiplicative inverse of the complex number sin theta comma cos theta. So first question solution. Given complex number cos theta comma sin theta, sin theta comma cos theta. So this can be written as sin theta plus I cos theta according to this one. They are asking to write multiplicative inverse of the complex number. So here you remember, make a note. The multiplicative inverse of a plus ib is a minus ib by a square plus b square. So this is the formula we are going to apply. So from the given complex number we know that this is a, this is b. So for that we need to calculate a is equal to sin theta, b is equal to cos theta. So therefore a square plus b square value is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. That value is 1, we know that from the identities. Therefore the multiplicative inverse. For writing formula 1 mark, getting answer 1 mark. The multiplicative inverse of sin theta sin theta comma cos theta is sin theta minus I cos theta by 1. So that 1 no need to write, that is equal to sin theta minus I cos theta. That's all. We'll move on to the next question. Question number 2. In this question number 2, a plus ib whole square equal to x plus iy, then find the value of x square plus y square. So given a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy, they are asking to find the value of x square plus y square. So first expansion of a plus by b whole square, that is a square plus ib whole square plus 2 into a into ib, which is equal to x plus iy, a square plus I square b square plus I into 2ab is equal to x plus iy. We know that I square is equal to minus 1. So a square minus b square plus I into 2ab, which is equal to x plus iy. So by comparing both sides, real and imaginary part, on comparing real and imaginary parts, on both sides. So a square minus b square is equal to x and 2ab is equal to y. So they are asking to find the value of x square plus y square in the second question, dear students, here. So x square plus y square. Therefore, x square plus y square equal to. So x square means a square minus b square whole square plus y square 2ab whole square. So a square whole square plus b square whole square minus 2a square b square plus 4a square b square. If you simplify this, a square whole square plus b square whole square plus 2a square b square. Why? Because plus 4a square b square minus 2a square b square is plus 2a square b square. So it is the expansion of a square plus a plus b whole square only now. So we can write it as a square plus b square whole square. Therefore, the value of x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square whole square. Now we will move to the question number 3. What is that question number 3? Here only. Z1 equal to 2 comma minus 1. Z2 equal to 6 comma 3. Here students, observe carefully. Z1 equal to 2 comma minus 1. Z2 equal to 6 comma 3. They are asking to find Z1 minus Z2. So question number 3. Given Z1 is equal to 2 comma minus 1 and Z2 equal to 6 comma 3. Therefore, Z1 minus Z2, which is equal to 2 comma minus 1 minus 6 comma 3. So corresponding elements we can subtract. So 2 minus 6 comma minus 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 4 comma minus 4. Therefore, the value of Z1 minus Z2 to the given corresponding complex numbers is minus 4 minus 4. I hope you people understand. Yeah, the next question. If x is equal to cis theta, given x is equal to cis theta. Cis theta means what? Cos theta plus I sin theta. They are asking to calculate x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. First, x power 6 we will write it. X power 6. Here power raised to 6. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 6. So by using de Moivre's theorem, x power 6 is equal to, this can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So here n is equal to 6 now. So it will become cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. Put it in box this value. Next, the reciprocal. So 1 by x power 6 is equal to, we know that x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then 1 by x is equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. So by using this formula, we can write it as cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. So this is nothing, 1 by cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta, the reciprocal, no? So we can write as 90. They are asking to calculate the sum of these two. Therefore, x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6, which is equal to, x power 6 means cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta plus 1 by x power 6 cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. So minus plus I sin 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta get cancelled. Cos 6 theta plus cos 6 theta, 2 cos 6 theta this is the value of x power 6 by 1 by x power 6. We will move to the question number 5. In the question number 5, once you read the question thoroughly, this one, if alpha beta are roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta in terms of ABC. They are asking to find the relation between ABC, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So first, in the question number 5, given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, alpha comma beta are roots of equation 1, then we have sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. In the question they are asking 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta equal to. So take LCM, alpha beta is the LCM, alpha get cancelled, beta times by plus beta get cancelled, alpha after taking LCM. Alpha plus beta numerator only, no, so it value is minus b by a. By alpha beta it is the denominator c by a. So here a get cancelled, which is equal to minus b by c. Therefore, the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to minus b by c. We'll move to the next question. Question number 6. The question number 6 is a standard and easy and general question, dear students. Write the quadratic equation whose roots are 1 comma 2. It's a simple question. Question number 6. Given roots alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 2. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Product of the roots alpha into beta. We know that the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha comma beta is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta equal to 0. So in place of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, substitute here and simplify. X square minus x into 3 plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, which is our required quadratic equation. We'll move to the next questions. Question number 7. Find the algebraic equation whose roots are 3 times the roots of x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So first what you have to do is, given equation, we can assume that f of x. Let f of x is equal to x power 3 plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. They are asking to calculate the algebraic equation whose roots are 3 times equation number 1. The algebraic equation or the equation whose roots are 3 times the roots of equation 1 is f of x by 3 is equal to 0. That means wherever x is there, replace with x by 3 and simplify. That is x by 3 whole square, whole cube, plus 2 into x by 3 whole square minus 4 into x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So x cube divided by 27 plus 2 into x square by 9 minus 4x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Take LCM here. 27 is the LCM. X cube plus 9 3 is a 3 into 2 6. 6x square minus 3 9 is a 9 for the 36x plus 27. So cross multiply, you will get x cube plus 6x square minus 36x plus 27 equal to 0, which is the required equation whose roots are 3 times to the given equation. We'll move on to the next question. What is that next question here? Find the transformed equation whose roots are negatives of the roots of the equation. You remember, dear students, negatives of the equation means the given equation, you can assume that f of x whose roots are negatives means f of minus x equal to 0. So question number 8, first given equation, or let f of x is equal to, better to write let f of x is equal to. Question number 8. Let f of x is equal to, that equation is what? X power 4 plus 5x cube plus 11x plus 3. So x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 11x plus 3 is equal to 0. Put that equation number 1. The transformed equation whose roots are the negatives, of the roots of 1 is f of minus x is equal to 0. So wherever x is there, minus x you have to replace. That is minus x whole power 4 plus 5 into minus x whole power 3 plus 11 into minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 11x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the polynomial. We will move on to the next set of questions. Question number 9. Find the number of ways of arranging 5 different mathematics books, 4 different physics books and 3 different chemistry books, such that the books of the same subject are together. So books are same subject or together means we have to consider as one unit. Set of mathematics books 1 unit, set of physics books 1 unit, set of chemistry books 1 unit. Like this way we can make it. So first in the question number 9 solution, how many mathematics books are there? Maths books. The number of maths books are there as 5. Next, physics. How many physics books are there? 4 different physics books are there. And chemistry. 3 chemistry books are there. So these set of books like this. Here 5 different mathematics books are there. 5 maths books here. M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. This we are considering as 1 unit. Like physics, 4 different physics books are there. This considering as 1 unit. Next, chemistry, 3 chemistry books are there. One unit. Total, how many books are there? How many sets of books are there? 3. Therefore, the required arrangements, the number of ways of arranging the 5 different mathematics books, 4 different physics books, and 3 different chemistry books in books such that same subjects are together is, instead of writing this complete statement, simply you have to write the required arrangements. The required arrangements equal to, first, these 3 set of books can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, and the 5 mathematics books among themselves we can arrange in 5 factorial ways, and the 4 physics books among themselves we can arrange in 4 factorial ways, and 3 chemistry books among themselves we can arrange in 3 factorial ways. So we can write it as 3 factorial whole square into 4 factorial into 5 factorial. This is the required arrangements. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the question number 10. What is that question number 10? Find the number of diagonals of a polygon with sides n, with sides 12. So question number 12, question number 10. So given the number of sides, n is equal to 12. We know that the number of diagonals of a polygon with sides n is the number of diagonals of a polygon with side n is n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So here also requirement, wherever n is there you replace with 12. 12 into 12 minus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6 into 12 minus 3 is 9. 6 3s are 9 6 are 54. So the required answer is 54. We'll move on to the next set of questions. In the question number 11, if NP3 is equal to 13, 20. So given NP3 is equal to 13, 20. We know that NP3 means the product of first 3 terms, we have to write it. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So product of 3. 13, 20 also can be written as 132 into 10. This 132 can be written as 12 into 11 into 10. So now comparing on both sides, either these two or these two or these two, you will get the value of n. Therefore, n is equal to 12. Any one of the possibilities you can take, n is equal to 12 or n minus 1 is equal to 11 or n minus 2 equal to 10. So n value ultimately it will becomes 12. I hope you people understand this, students. We'll move to the question number 12. So in the question number 12, so they are asking to calculate, find the 7th term in the expansion. First step you write it, given expansion. given expansion. So what is that expansion? 1 minus x square by 3 whole power minus 1. 1 minus x square by 3 whole power minus 4. So this minus 4 we are writing as minus 4 by 1. This you have to compare with 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. So we have the formula 1 minus x whole power minus p by q is equal to 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into q divided by p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus and so on. So in this the last term will be like means rth term it will be. So plus and so on is there na. So plus p into p plus q into p plus 2q and so on p plus r minus 1 into q by r factorial into x by q whole power r. This term is called as a general term. So they are asking to calculate the value of seventh term. So here I am writing tr plus 1 of this expansion 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. I am writing now p into p plus q into p plus 2q and so on p plus r minus 1 into q by r factorial into x by q whole power r. See here what is p, what is q we need to learn. So this is all p, this is q. So p equal to here the values. P is equal to minus 4, q is equal to minus 1. So minus minus anyway comparing now, both minus 1 means plus 4 only will come, plus 4 plus 1. So p value, q value as 1 and x value is what? X is equal to and x is equal to x square by 3. You need to remember this information, dear students. So substitute in this, you will get it answer. So they are asking T7, seventh term in the question. Just I will revise. Seventh term in the expansion, seventh term. So 7 means we can write as T6 plus 1 only. No? T7 is equal to T6 plus 1. That means R is equal to 6 in this case. So P value 4 into 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 1 into 2 and so on. So here and so on means R minus 1, R value 6, now 6 minus 1 means till 5. We will get it. So 4 plus 3 into q. So 3 into q, 3 only will come. 4 into 4 plus 5 into 1. We can stop there. Why? Because R is equal to 6 na. R is equal to 6. Till you can write only 4 plus 5 only. By comparing R value 6, you remember dear students, R value is 6 by R factorial, that means 5 factorial, 6 factorial sorry, into x value, x square by 3, q means 1, whole power R value 6. So now simplification, which is equal to 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 by 6 factorial into x square by 3 whole power 6. So therefore T7 is equal to, so we can write it as 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 by 6 factorial x power 2 whole power 6. So x power 12 divided by 3 power 6. Even if you want to simplify, so here in the denominator 6 factorial is there, no? Here also to get 6 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3 you have to multiply both numerator and denominator. 1 into 2 into 3 by here 6 factorial is there. Here we multiplied with 1 2 3 means here also multiplying by 1 2 3. Remaining here 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into x power 12 divided by 3 power 6. So 6 factorial and here product of 6 will be cancelled. The remaining 3 ones are 3 threes are. Here also another 3 and here 5 times 3 power 5. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 4 into 7 28 divided by 3 power 5. So 3 power 4 is 81. So 3 power 5 is 81 into 3. So 243 into x power 12. This is the 7th term of the given expansion. I hope you understand, here students. We'll move to the next question. So the next question is, find the mean deviation from the mean of the following data: 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 14, and 12 and 16. So what is the data is given here? That I'll write it here. That's question number 13. Given data: 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 12 and 16. So the mean of 8 of how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the x bar means the mean. Mean of 8 observations, that is equal to 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 12 plus 16 by 8. So how much it will be? If you 6 plus 7, 13 plus 10, 23, 23 plus 12, so 35, 35, 35 plus 17, 52, 52 plus 28, 80. 80 by 8, which is equal to 10. Therefore, mean x bar is equal to, after that, mean deviation from the data, x bar is equal to 10, we got it. Therefore, the mean deviation from the data is, we can calculate xi minus mod xi, xi minus mod x bar, that is mod x bar. So how many 8 are there now? So for 8 you can calculate 6 minus 10, mod 7 minus 10, mod 10 minus 10, mod 12 minus 10, mod 13 minus 10, mod 4 minus 10, mod 12 minus 10, mod 16 minus 10. So these values are 4, 3, 0, 2, 3, 6, 2 and 6. So after that, again mean deviation for the mean is, therefore mean deviation for the data, for the given data is sigma I is equal to 1 to 8 mod xi minus x bar whole divided by 8. This is the values which we have, that is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 divided by 8. So which is equal to 26 divided by 8, that is equal to 3.83 is a 24. So 0.2 is that 20. 8 to the 16. 24 means remaining 2 is there 20. So 16 means remaining 4 will be there. 8 5 is. So 3.5 is the required mean deviation for the given data. We'll move on to the next two questions. The next question, number 14. The probability that a person chosen at random is left-handed in handwriting is 0.1. What is the probability that in a group of 10 people there is one who is left-handed? So here this is related to probability binomial distribution. So P equal to a person chosen at random left-handed in handwriting. That is P is equal to how much it is given? 0.1. So the persons are writing with left hand is 0.1. Obviously with right hand we have P plus Q is equal to 1. 0.1 plus Q is equal to 1. That implies that Q is equal to 1 minus 0.1. Q is equal to 0.9. This is regarding, this is left hand, this is right hand. P is left hand, Q is the right hand. After that, how many persons are there in the probability? What is the probability that in a group of 10 people given n is equal to 10, number of persons? Persons in a group. So they are asking, there is one who is left-handed. Therefore, the required probability. Therefore, the required probability that the who is one handwriting, that means P of x is equal to 1. the probability that the person who is writing handwriting, who is who is left-handed person in handwriting, p of x is equal to 1 is. So how to write p of x is equal to 1? We need to know about the binomial distribution probability function. P of x is equal to r is equal to ncr p power r q power n minus r, where r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n. So here p of x is equal to 1. That means in place of r substitute 1. N is equal to 10 is there already. 10c1 p power. So 0.1 whole power 1. Next 0.9 whole power 10 minus 1. 10c1 means 10. Anything power 0.1 whole power 1 is 0.1. 0.9 whole power 10 minus 1 is 9. So 10 into 0.1 means 1 by 10 into 0.9 whole power 9. Here 10 get cancelled, which is equal to 0.9 whole power 9. Therefore, the probability of the person who is writing in left hand is p of x is equal to 1 as 0.9 whole power 9. We'll move on to the next question. In the VSQs, this is the last question. A Poisson variable satisfies p of x is equal to 1 equal to p of x is equal to 2. Find p of x is equal to 5. So question number 15. Not question number, it is a solution. So given p of x is equal to 1 is equal to p of x is equal to 2. The distribution has follows Poisson distribution. So we have p of x is equal to r equal to Poisson distribution, e power minus lambda, lambda power r by r factorial, where r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here in place of r 1 and 2 substitute. This is the Poisson distribution, dear students. So this one Poisson. So therefore r is equal to 1 substitute e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 divided by 1 factorial is equal to e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. Here r is equal to 2 in this case. So e power minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factorial. So both sides e power minus lambda you can cancel it. Lambda power 1 means lambda by 1 factorial means 1 equal to lambda square by 2 factorial means 2. So cross multiply. 2 lambda is equal to lambda square. So lambda square, this 2 lambda we can take minus 2 lambda equal to 0. So lambda into lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So you will get lambda equal to 0 or lambda is equal to 2. So here you observe that, dear students, lambda should be greater than 0. In this case, lambda is always greater than 0. So since lambda is greater than 0, lambda is equal to 0 is not possible. So what should be possible? Alternatively, lambda is equal to 2. So therefore, lambda is equal to 2, we decided that. They are asking to calculate p of x is equal to 5. So p of x is equal to 5 means wherever r is there, replacing with e power minus lambda. Lambda value is 2 into lambda r power 5. So lambda power r. That means lambda value is 2, r value is 5 divided by 5 factorial. If you want simplify, you can simplify, otherwise you leave it. So in this formula, in place of lambda 5, lambda value 2, r value 5, substitute. So p of x is equal to 5 is e power minus 2 lambda 2 power 5 by 5 factorial. We'll move to the section B, dear students. And dear students, you remember, according to the students' convenience, section A one video, section B one video, section C also another video I am giving, and in the description box I will provide that all the links, section A, section B, section C, for the convenience of the students. Thank you. It is from section B. In section B we have 12 questions. Out of 12 you have to write any 5 questions according to 2021-22 pattern. So let us have a discussion. If x and y are real numbers such that 1 plus I into x minus 2i by 3 plus I plus 2 minus 3i into y plus I by 3 minus I equal to I, then determine the values of x and y. So the given complex number is, so first what you have to do, you have to simplify. What I am doing is, individual terms are there, no? Rationalizing I am doing. So first, given complex number 1 plus I into x minus 2i by 3 plus I, multiplying and dividing by 3 minus I, plus 2 minus 3i into y plus I into 3 minus I here in the denominator. So multiplying and dividing by 3 plus I. Which is equal to I. So that implies that, so the denominator value is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So it will become, so 3 square minus I square. In the numerator, we need to simplify. So first, the bracket value x plus ix minus 2i into 3 minus I plus here in the denominator 3 minus I into 3 plus I, 3 square minus I square. So here also 2y minus 3iy plus I into 3 plus I is equal to I. So x into 3, 3x, 3 into ix, 3ix, 3 into minus 2i, 6i, minus I into x, minus ix, minus I into I, minus I square x, minus I into minus 2i plus 2i square divided by 9 minus I square plus, here also actually 3 into 2y, 6y, 3 into minus 9iy plus 3i, I into 2y plus 2iy, I into minus 3i square y plus I square divided by 9 minus I square is equal to I. Wherever I square is there, you have to replace with minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. So 3x plus 3ix minus 6i minus ix, I square value minus 1 means minus of minus plus x minus 2 divided by 9 plus 1, I square value minus 1, no? 9 plus 1 plus 6y minus 9iy plus 3i plus 2iy, I square value minus 1, so minus of minus plus 3y minus 1 divided by 9 plus 1, which is equal to I. In both the terms in LHS, 9 plus 1 is the 10. So 10 LCM we can take into this side. So 3x plus 3ix minus 6i minus ix plus x minus 2 plus 6y minus 9iy plus 3i plus 2iy plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 10i. Now in LHS, the terms containing I, not containing I, write one side. So 3x plus x minus 2 plus 6y plus 3y minus 1. So these are the terms not containing I, plus the terms containing I am writing. So 3x minus 6 minus x, here minus 9y plus 3 plus 2y, which is equal to 10i. So that implies that 3x plus x 4x, 6y plus 3y 9y, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus I into 3x minus x 2x minus 9y plus 2y minus 7y minus 6 plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 10i. So I is the imaginary part, real part is not there. No, we can write as 0 plus 10 into I. Comparing real parts and imaginary parts, just I am putting here, dear students, for your convenience. So by comparing, on comparing real and imaginary parts on both sides, we get 4x plus 9y minus 3 equal to 0 and 2x minus 7y minus 3 is equal to 10. So 4x plus 9y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 7y minus 13 equal to 0. Now on solving these equations, you will get x comma y. Solving the equations, solving the above equations. So second equation multiplying by 2. So 4x plus 9y minus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus 7y minus 13 equal to 0 is there now. So multiplying by 2 to get the same values. 4x minus 14y minus 26 is equal to 0. Multiplying by 2 here. So by subtracting, sign change, minus plus plus. These two will be cancelled. 9y plus 14y, 23y plus 26 minus 3 plus 23 equal to 0. So 23y is equal to minus 23. That implies that y is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. Substitute in 2x minus 7y minus 13 equal to 0. So 2x minus 7 into minus 1 minus 13 equal to 0. That implies that 2x plus 7 minus 13 equal to 0. 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 6. That implies x is equal to 3. Therefore, the values of x and y are 3 and minus 1. We'll move to the next question, dear students. Yeah, the next question number 17. If x plus iy equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then show that 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. See here, given x plus iy is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta is the real part plus I into sin theta is the imaginary part. So here we are going to do that rationalizing. So 1 plus cos theta multiplying and dividing by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta, multiplying and dividing by, so 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. So x plus iy is equal to 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by denominator a plus b into a minus b form is there. So a square minus b square, 1 plus cos theta whole square minus I sin theta whole square. So x plus iy is equal to 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by a plus b whole square formula, 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta I sin theta whole square. I square means minus 1. So minus sin square theta. Here I square value is minus 1. You also know that. So minus into minus is plus. One plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So which is equal to 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2 cos theta, 2 take common, 1 plus cos theta. Here directly I am writing, dear students. I hope you understand that. Cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 cos theta. So 2 we are taking common. This is x plus iy. Now x plus iy is equal to, now this complex number in RHS we have to simplify. 1 plus cos theta divided by 2 into 1 plus cos theta minus I into sin theta divided by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. According to the result, you can go, dear students. In the question, they are asking to prove 4x square minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x square is equal to 1. They are asking to prove. So that is the reason only we are comparing on both sides real part. So x plus iy is equal to 1 by 2 minus I into sin theta divided by 2 times of 1 plus cos theta. So on comparing real parts on both sides, so x is equal to 1 by 2, cross multiply, 2x is equal to 1, squaring on both sides, 4x square is equal to 1. So what they are asking to prove? Minus 1, so 4x square, that 1 we can take here. Therefore 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence proved. Once again I'll scroll down the question. Slowly you can understand, your students. This is very important also. Number of times you practice, just you revise that. We'll move to the next question. The next question, question number 18, answer here. If 1 omega square are the cube roots of unity, then prove that. Given that 1 omega square are the cube roots of unity, whenever they are cube roots of unity, then we have 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and omega cube is equal to 1. So these two important results you keep in mind, dear students. Next, you have to consider LHS. Now consider they are asking to prove this result as 49. 2 minus omega square 2 minus omega power 10 into 2 minus omega power 11. See here, what I am going to do is, first here simplification. Omega power 10 can be written as omega power 9 into omega, base are equal, power should be added. Omega power 9 can be written as omega power 3 whole power 3 into omega. Omega power 3 value is 1 only, no, omega cube is equal to 1. So 1 power 3 is 1 into omega ultimately. So omega power 10 is equal to omega. Suppose in the same way, omega power 11 can be written as omega power 10 into omega only, no. So omega power 10 is omega into omega, that is equal to omega square. So therefore omega power 11 is equal to omega square. Now come to the LHS. 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square. 2 minus, in place of omega power 10 replace with omega. 2 minus omega power 11 can be written as omega square. So here 2 minus omega twice is there now. So 2 minus omega whole square. 2 minus omega square also twice is there. So 2 minus omega square whole square, which is equal to a square b square means ab whole square we can write. So 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square whole square. So which is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 2 into minus omega square minus 2 omega square minus 2 omega minus into minus plus omega square into omega is omega cube. We know that omega cube is equal to 1. So 4 From these two, minus 2 take common. Omega square plus omega plus 1 whole square. Since 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. So in place of omega square plus omega, replace with minus 1. 4 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 whole square. So which is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 1 whole square. That means 7 square, which is equal to 49, which is a required RHS. So they are asking to prove this result, dear students. So slowly you can understand that. We'll move to the question number 19. The next question, find the range of the expression x plus 2 by 2x square plus 3x plus 6. To find the range of this type of functions, first you have to assume the given expression as y. So solution number 19, let y is equal to x plus 2 divided by 2x square plus 3x plus 6. Now cross multiplication. So y into 2x square plus 3x plus 6 is equal to x plus 2. So 2x square y plus 3xy plus 6y, that x plus 2 also we are taking this side, minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So first quadratic term, so x square into 2y. Next from these two, x take common, 3y minus 1 plus the rest of the term 6y minus 2 equal to 0. Keep that equation number 1. This equation is a quadratic equation in x. So this you have to compare with equation 1, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we have the values. A is equal to 2y, b is equal to 3y minus 1, and c is equal to 6y minus 2. Since x is real, range means real only, no? Since x is real, then the discriminant of the quadratic equation should be greater than or equal to 0. That is, discriminant means b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. So b square, what is b square? 3y minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 2y into c value 6y minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Here a minus b whole square expansion, 9y square plus 1 minus 2 into 3y into 1, 6y, minus 8y into 6y minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. 9y square plus 1 minus 6y minus 48y square plus 16y is greater than or equal to 0. So minus 39y square minus 48 plus 9. After that 16y minus 6y, so plus 10y plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So minus take common, 39y square minus 10y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So if you remove this minus, inequality will change. So 39y square minus 10y minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So factorization here, 39 into minus 1 is minus 39, minus 13 and plus 3. So 39y square minus 13y plus 3y minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. From these two, so 13y, if you take out common, 3y minus 1 plus 1 into 3y minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So now 13y plus 1 into 3y minus 1 we are taking common. So 13 take common, here y plus 1 by 13. Here 3 take common, y minus 1 by 3. So 3 into 13 we can take this side. So y plus 1 by 13 into y minus 1 by 3 is less than or equal to 0. So y plus 1 by 3 means y minus of minus 1 by 13 into y minus 1 by 3 is less than or equal to 0. So it is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta. Here you need to learn the formula and the result. X minus alpha into x minus beta is less than or equal to 0. That implies that x belongs to closed interval of alpha comma beta when alpha is less than beta. So this is the formula we are going to apply. So in place of x, y is there now. So y belongs to, so according to this, y belongs to closed interval of alpha value is minus 1 by 13 comma 1 by 3. So that is the range of given expression is, so you can write like this, minus 1 by 13 is less than or equal to x plus 2 by 2x square plus 3x plus 6 is less than or equal to 1 by 3. I hope you people understand, dear students. We'll move to the next question. Yeah, the question number 20. Solve x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 equal to 0 given that the roots are in geometrical progression. So geometric progression means we know that how to take the roots. First, given equation x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 equal to 0. We put that equation number 1. Given that the roots are in GP, given that the roots of equation 1 are in GP, let us consider the roots. Let the roots be A by R. So GP means the roots we are taking like this, A by R. After that, what we have to do? Product of the roots better to take. So here the product of the roots, we have S3 is equal to, that means the product of the roots. So S3 is equal to AR into A by R is equal to sum of the roots means minus B by A. Product of the roots taken 2 at a time is C by A. Here minus D by A. So minus of minus 8 plus 8 will come. Here R get cancelled. A into A is A cube, that is equal to 8. That also can be written as 2 cube. A cube equal to 2 cube, that implies that A is equal to 2. So A means what? This is also one of the roots now. Since a is equal to 2 is, so one of the roots of equation 1, then by synthetic division, then by using synthetic division, first x cube coefficient in the equation, x cube coefficient is 1 minus 7 14 minus 8, so 1 minus 7 14 and minus 8, so 2 is the root. So first here you have to put 0, add 1 plus 0, 1 and 0, so it will become 1 into 2, 2, adding these two, minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5, minus 5 into 2 minus 10, so here plus 4 will come, adding 14 and minus 10, 4, 4 2s are 8, so 0 will be there. So cubic equation to quadratic equation we got it. X is equal to 2 here, x is equal to means is a factor, x is equal to 2. So equation 1 can be written as, equation 1 can be expressed as x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 is equal to, x is equal to root, already x is equal to 2 is the root, we got it, a is equal to 2 means x is equal to 2. So x minus 2 into, this is quadratic term, this is linear term, this is constant term. So for our understanding purpose I am putting here marks, dear students. So we can write it as x square minus 5x plus 4. So even by factorization we can do that, x minus 2 into x square minus 4x minus x plus 4. So x minus 2 into x minus 4 minus 1 into x minus 4, x minus 2 into x minus 4 take common into x minus 1. So therefore this cubic equation expressing as the product of 3 factors, therefore the factors for we can equate to now, which is also equal to 0, polynomial only, no? Therefore x is x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1. So this is the way we will get the roots. Therefore the roots of the given equation, the roots of given equation are 1, 2 and 4. We'll move to the next question. The next question number 21. Find the sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6 without repetition. See here, first the given digits you have to write it. Given digits, one, 2, 4, 5 and 6. So total how many digits are there? 5 digits we are getting here. Therefore n is equal to 5, the number of digits. How many digits we required? Find the sum of all 4-digit numbers. Required digit. Required digit numbers. R is equal to 4. Required R is equal to 4. So R value we got it, and n value total numbers is given as 1. So the sum of all digit numbers that can be formed using from n digits is formula we have. we have one important formula, dear students. The sum of or digited numbers that can be formed using given n numbers, given n numbers without repetition are n minus 1 p r minus 1 into sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 and so on or times. So by using this formula we will get it the answer. So for this we need to add the sum of the digits. So here sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 7 17 18. So the remaining you can substitute in this formula and get the answer. Therefore n value 5, 5 minus 1 p r minus 1 r value 4 into sum of the digits is 18 into how many ones or times 1 1 1 1 r is equal to 4. So which is equal to 4p3 into 18 into 1 1 1. 4p3 means 4 into 3 into 2. So 4p3 value is 24 into 18 into 1 1 1 1. So 24 into 18. 18 4 is 72. 18 2 is 36. 36 plus 7. So 43. So 432 into 1111 into, so first time if you write 432, next time 432, next time 432, again next time 432, 2 5 9, again 9 7 4. Therefore the product of these values is equal to 4,79,952, which is the required the sum of the digits. I hope you people understand, your students. For this question we'll move on to the question number 22. Yeah, the next question, simplify 34c5 plus summation or sigma r is equal to 0 to 4, 38 minus r c4. So in the solution step 22nd question, first you have to assume that 34c5 plus sigma r is equal to 0 to 4, 38 minus r c4, that is equal to 34c5 plus r is equal to 0. If we substitute 38c4 plus r is equal to 1, substitute 37c4 plus r is equal to 2, substitute 36 C4, r is equal to 3, substitute 35 C4, r is equal to 4, only till 4 here, r is equal to 0 to 4. 4 substitute 34 C4. After that, this is the only turning step, dear students. Here, these first term and last term, which is connected by one important result in permutations and combinations. The combination result, one of the important and the results that I am going to write here. See, what is the result we are going to apply is NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. See that the first term 34C5, 34C4 can be written as here 5 minus 1. It is in this NCR plus NCR minus 1 only, no? So we can write it as the first term and the last term can be written as n plus 1. So 34 plus 1. First time I will write it. See, r value is 5. The rest of the terms as it is, but you have to write from the 35, 36, 37, 38. So 35 C4. Even here also you understand, no? So we can write here 35 only, it's better. So 35 C4, 36 C4, 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Again from these two, 35 C5, 35 C5 minus 1. We can write it as 36 C5 plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Again by using these two, again the same formula whichever I mentioned in that is equal to 37 C5 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4, which is equal to, again by using this, 38 C5 plus 38 C4. Again by using the same formula, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Sir, you are saying from that time onwards, again the same formula, again that formula only, dear students. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. Once again I am writing. So 38 plus 1, 39. C, R value is 5. Simplified, they said, no? So we simplified and we wrote the answer. This is the required. So the next question, we'll move to that. Yeah, the next question. Resolve x square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 3 whole cube into partial fractions. This question, in this denominator, if you observe that x minus 3 whole cube, 3 times the factor x minus 3 is repeating. Generally, if you write like this, no, so we can write the partial fractions as a by x minus 3 plus b by x minus 3 whole square plus c by x minus 3 whole cube. Instead of that method, we are going to write as the given partial fractions. You have to write it x square plus 5x plus 7 divided by x minus 3 whole cube. Here take x minus 3 is equal to some y. X in terms of y you have to write it. So y plus 3 x value. So which is equal to, in place of x substitute y plus 3 and in place of x minus 3 y. So y plus 3 whole square plus 5 into y plus 3 plus 7 divided by y cube. So numerator you have to expand. Y square plus 3 square means 9 plus 2 into y into 3. So 6y plus 5y plus 15 plus 7 divided by y cube. So first y square, 6y plus 5y is 11y plus 15 plus 7 22, 22 plus 9 31 divided by y cube. Now split into terms, y square by y cube plus 11y by y cube plus 31 by y cube. So which is equal to y square cancel 1 by y plus 11 by y square plus 31 by y cube. But the question in terms of x is there, you also give the answer also in terms of x. So wherever y is there, you have to replace again x minus 3. So which is equal to 1 by x minus 3 plus 11 by x minus 3 whole square plus 31 by x minus 3 whole cube. I hope you people understand now. Yeah, question number 24. This is also partial fractions question, but this given fraction is improper fraction. Why? Because the degree of numerator is 3, the denominator degree is also 3. So degree of f of x is greater than or equal to degree of g of x. So the fraction is called improper fraction. It is improper fraction. X cube by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c is an improper fraction. Whenever it is improper fraction, how to write is the partial fractions. Numerator highest, and that too both the degrees are same. So x cube is the highest power in the numerator. Even denominator also x cube, x into x into x is there. So numerator x cube coefficient is what? 1. Denominator x cube coefficient is also 1. Plus, like this way you can write. Suppose here 2x minus 1, 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 5 is there. So 2x into 2x into 2x, 8x cube will come now. So x cube coefficient is 8 in case. Just I am saying. But according to this question is x cube coefficient is 1. So 1 only write it. After 1 by 1, after writing the coefficient of highest power in numerator by denominator, plus the remaining we are treating as partial fractions like linear factors. Capital A by x minus a plus capital B by x minus b plus capital C by x minus c. So how to write that partial fractions? I hope you understand now. Take that LCM on both sides. X cube by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c, which is equal to so LCM is x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. So as it is, the term will come x minus a into x minus b into x minus c plus x minus a get cancelled, a into x minus b into x minus c plus capital B into x minus a into x minus c. X minus c cancel means capital C into x minus a into x minus b. So both the denominators will be cancelled. Therefore we have x cube equal to x minus a into x minus b into x minus c plus capital A into x minus b into x minus c plus capital B into x minus a into x minus c plus capital C into x minus a into x minus b. After this result, to get capital A, capital B, capital C values, put small x is equal to a in the above equation. You put that equation number 1, it is. In the equation number 1, we get x is equal to a means this side a cube. So in the first term, if you substitute x is equal to a, the total term goes to be 0. And in b and c also the term goes to be 0 except second term. So capital A into a minus b into a minus c, that implies that capital A is equal to a cube by a minus b into a minus c. Similarly, put x is equal to b in the equation 1, we get b cube equal to, so in the first term and the second term and last term, in the equation 1 LHS RHS substitute, so it will becomes b into b minus a into b minus c. So from that, b is equal to b cube divided by b minus a into b minus c. So now similarly, to get c value, put x is equal to c in the above. In the equation 1, we get c cube is equal to capital C into c minus a into c minus b. So that implies that capital C equal to c cube divided by c minus a into c minus b. After getting these values, substitute in the given part here, in substitute in this capital 1. So therefore, capital A, capital B, capital C values substitute in capital 1. So x cube by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c is equal to 1 plus, see here, a by x minus a. So a value is what? A cube by a minus b into a minus c into x minus a. Similarly, b value, b cube by b minus a into b minus c into x minus b plus c value, c cube divided by c minus a into c minus b into x minus c. I hope you people understand. We'll move on to the next question. Yeah, in this question number 25, resolve 2x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube into partial fractions. First, given for fractional function, that is 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. So it is like 23rd problem which we discussed in this session. Take x minus 1 is equal to y. So x is equal to y plus 1. So wherever x is there, replace with y plus 1. by y cube. So which is equal to 2y plus 2 plus 3 divided by y cube. So 2y plus 5 divided by y cube. If you don't want to do this method, you can do that as a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube, and then general procedure we can do that. So this can be done as a 2y by y cube plus 5 by y cube. So one of the y cancel here, y square terms, 2 by y square plus 5 by y cube. Sir, in general method, if you go like y term also, that means x minus 1 also will come in, that value goes to be 0. That is the reason we are not getting. So 2 by y minus 1, y means what? X minus 1 whole square plus 5 by x minus 1 whole cube. Therefore, 2x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube. I hope you understand now. Yeah, question number 26. A and B are events with P of A equal to 0.5 and P of B is equal to 0.4 and P of A intersection B equal to 0.3. So given that A and B are any two events or two events, the probability of A, P of A is given as 0.5 and probability of the event B is given 0.4, and P of A intersection B is also given 0.3. Find the probability that, the first question, A does not occur. The probability of A does not occur. That means probability of A complement, that is P of A complement or A bar also we can write. So P of A complement is equal to 1 minus P of A, that is equal to 1 minus P of A value, how much it is given? 0.5, that is equal to 0.5. Therefore P of A complement is equal to 0.5. Next, neither A nor B occurs. So second one, the probability of neither A nor B occurs. That is P of A union B whole complement, or we can write as from De Morgan laws, if you apply P of A complement intersection B complement also we can write. Otherwise we can, this is easy. P of A union B whole complement, neither nor. That means 1 minus P of either or. So either or means A union B, probability, addition theorem of probability. 1 minus P of A union B. P of A union B not there, no? But by using addition theorem, 1 minus P of A union B means P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So which is equal to 1 minus P of A value 0.5, P of B 0.4 minus P of A intersection B is 0.3. 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.4, 0.9 minus 0.3, which is equal to 1 minus 0.9, 0.3 is 0.6, which is equal to 0.4. Therefore, P of A union B complement is equal to 0.4. After that, the last question in this question paper, we have that multiplication theorem. So, last question, state and prove the multiplication theorem on probability. So, very important. Here 4 marks question. Sometimes we may expect for 4 marks also. So, question number 27. So, in that question number 27, state and prove is given. No, statement I am writing here. Statement. Next proof. We'll give that 2 lines. We'll write with a different pen. So, what is the statement of multiplication theorem? If A and B are any two events or simply two events of a random experiment such that P of A is not equal to 0 and P of B is also not equal to 0, then P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B given A, or P of B by A, which is also equal to P of B into P of A given B. This is the statement of multiplication theorem on probability. Now we will do the proof of this one. So, from anyway you write that again the events and all statement. A comma B are two events of a random experiment by definition of condition probability. So, two definitions we have. One is P of B given A can be defined as P of B intersection A by P of A, provided that P of A should not be equal to 0. So, cross multiply P of A intersection B or B intersection A, both are same. So, P of B intersection A is equal to P of A into P of B given A. Equation number 1. Again, by another definition, from another definition, P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. So P of B is not equal to 0. So cross multiply. P of A intersection B is equal to P of B into P of A given B. So from 1 and 2, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B given A, that is also equal to P of B into P of B given, A given B. So hence the theorem. Yeah, this is the way we can do that. The multiplication or multiplicative theorem on probability, dear students. I hope you people understand. Next we will move to the section C. The next section C, dear students. In this long answers questions, they will give 10 questions. You have to write any 5. Each carries 7 marks. So let us have a discussion. The first question. So question number 28. If alpha, beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0, then for any n belongs to capital N, show that alpha power n plus beta power n equal to 2 power n plus 1 into cos of n pi by 3. See here, first given quadratic equation, x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Put that equation number 1. So roots of this quadratic equation, no? So minus b plus or minus. Therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That implies that x is equal to minus b, a is equal to 1. This quadratic equation compare with x square plus bx square plus c. So b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 4. So minus b means minus of minus 2 plus or minus root over b square 4 minus 4 into 1 into 4. So minus 16 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus root over minus 12 divided by 2. So minus can be written as here minus 1 is equal to I square. I represents iota. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus root over I square. The 12 can be written as 4 into 3 divided by 2. 4 we can take outside of the root, it will becomes 2. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 into I square we can take outside, I will come, so root 3 divided by 2. So take common 2 and cancel. So 2 into 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. Therefore x is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3. See, after that they are asking to prove this roots plus or minus, we got it now. So one root is alpha. They mentioned that alpha beta are the roots of the equation. Since alpha comma beta are the roots of equation 1, then alpha is equal to 1 plus I root 3 and beta equal to 1 minus I root 3. So for this procedure they will give 2 marks. So for the rest of the terms are there now for this remaining. So after getting the values of alpha and beta, we need to calculate alpha power n plus beta power n. So and alpha value, this polar form we need to write it. Alpha equal to 1 plus I root 3. It is in the form of a plus ib. So to write into the polar form, we need to multiplying and dividing by root of a square plus b square. So root of 1 square plus root 3 whole square is 2. So multiplying and dividing by 2. All of you know about this method. So multiplying and dividing by 2. This can be written as 2 into, we can write in the form of cos theta plus sin theta. So 1 by 2 in terms of cos, we can write it as cos pi by 3, cos 60 degrees, plus root 3 by 2 in terms of sin, I sin pi by 3. So therefore alpha equal to 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. But they are asking alpha power n. So alpha value we got it now. Similarly, before that only you can calculate alpha power n. So power rise to cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole power n. So 2 power n, by using de Moivre's theorem, cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole power n can be written as cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3. So this is the value of alpha power n. Similarly, beta also consider same. 1 minus I root 3, that is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 3 minus I into sin pi by 3. Again we need to calculate the value of beta power n. So 2 into cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3 whole power n, which is equal to 2 power n cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. So after getting the values of alpha power n and beta power n, consider LHS. They are asking to prove the result alpha power n plus beta power n is equal to, they are asking to prove the result now. What they are asking to prove, 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3. That's what we are going to prove. See, alpha power n plus beta power n. Alpha power n value is 2 power n cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus beta power n is 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. So from these two, 2 power n take out common. So the remaining terms cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. So in this bracket value plus I sin n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3 cancel. So 2 power n cos n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3, 2 times of cos n pi by 3. So bases are equal, power should be added. 2 power n into 2, 2 power n plus 1 into cos of n pi by 3. So which is our required RHS, hence proved. We'll move to the next question, dear students. Next question number 29. It is related to, this question is belongs to quadratic equations and expression. So what is the question? Let a, b, c belongs to R and a is not equal to 0 such that ax square plus bx plus c has real roots alpha and beta such that alpha is less than beta. Then prove that ax square plus bx plus c and a have same sign when x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta. Here actually in this two statements are there, but here in this question only one statement is given. Now we will discuss. Alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So whenever the roots of this quadratic equation, that is, we can express like this way: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. We can express this. So that a we can take into denominator of LHS. So ax square plus bx plus c divided by a is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta. This result keep in mind. This is very important. This is a basic step. Now come to the question. In the question they are asking that x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta with the condition alpha is less than beta. So carefully observe, dear students. Here, if x is less than alpha, then as x is alpha is less than beta, this condition also we are using. And as alpha is less than beta, so from these two conditions we can get, we will have the value, we will have x is less than alpha, obviously less than beta also. So x is less than alpha is less than beta. We have x minus alpha is less than 0 and x minus beta is less than 0. Sir, how you are writing directly? X is less than alpha means alpha we can take this side, x minus alpha is less than 0. X is less than beta, that means x minus beta is less than 0. So both the conditions we have here. I hope you people understand. So x minus alpha is less than 0, x minus beta is less than 0. That implies that the product of these x minus alpha into x minus beta is obviously greater than 0. Negative into negative. So x minus alpha is less than 0 means negative value. X minus beta is less than 0 means negative value. The minus into minus is what? Plus. So it is greater than 0. So x minus alpha and x minus beta is greater than 0 means this value is equal to ax square plus bx plus c only. No? Implies that ax square plus bx plus c by a is greater than 0. So whenever this fraction is greater than 0 means both ax square plus bx plus c and a having the same sign. Not only this case but also another case we need to take that x is greater than b and alpha is less than beta. See how we will take this in this another case. This is another case we are taking. In other side we have also x is greater than b, then as alpha is less than beta, that means beta is greater than alpha only. Alpha is less than beta or beta is greater than alpha. We will have x is greater than b and beta is greater than alpha. So from this x minus beta and x minus alpha, that implies that x minus beta is greater than 0 and x minus alpha is also greater than 0. The product of two things is greater than 0, no? So that implies that x minus beta into x minus alpha is greater than 0. Again, ax square plus bx plus c by a is greater than 0. In these two cases, when x is less than alpha and alpha is less than beta, and also x is greater than beta, beta is greater than alpha, both the cases the expression and a both are having the same sign. Therefore, conclusion step. Thus, for the values of x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta, a and the expression ax square plus bx plus c have the same sign. That's what they are asking to prove, no? Hence proved. We'll move to the next question, dear students. So next question number 30. Solve x power 4 minus 4x cube square plus 8x plus 35 equal to 0, given that 2 plus I root 3 is a root. So here, whenever a plus I root b is a root of the polynomial, a minus I root b is also a root of the polynomial. So conjugate pairs, conjugate surds, we can say that. So if 2 plus I root 3 is a root, then 2 minus I root 3 is also a root. So first, given equation f of x you can take here. Given f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x plus 35 equal to 0. Keep it as equation number 1. Given that 2 plus I root 3 is a root, if 2 plus I root 3 is a root of f of x is equal to 0, then 2 minus I root 3 is also a root, of f of x is equal to 0. So therefore, so two roots are there. One root that is alpha equal to 2 plus I root 3 and beta is equal to 2 minus I root 3. Calculate sum and product. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus I root 3 plus 2 minus I root 3, that is equal to 4. Product of the roots alpha into beta 2 plus I root 3 into 2 minus I root 3 is equal to 4 minus I root 3 whole square, I square into 3. So minus of minus 1 plus 4 plus 3, 7 will come. So the roots of the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 plus I root 3, 2 minus I root 3 means what? The equation. Now the quadratic factor corresponds to given equation f of x is equal to 0 is x minus alpha into x minus beta equal to 0. That implies that x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. That implies that x square minus x into alpha plus beta is 4, alpha plus beta is 7 equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. So that means for the equation x square minus 4x plus 7 equal to 0 is a factor that is on dividing, actual division you can do, on dividing x power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x plus 35 equal to 0 by quadratic factor by x square minus 4x plus 7 by using synthetic division, we have that. So first like this we have to draw that. In that x power 4 coefficient is 1, x power 3 coefficient is not there 0, x square coefficient is minus 4, x coefficient is 8 and constant is 35. Here what we have to do is, here x coefficient is minus 4. So x coefficient is minus 4 means here you have to divide with plus 4. So here particularly I will mention with a different pen, then easy to understand. Here minus 4 is there now, so that's why plus 4 we are doing, dividing. In the next step again we will do that synthetic division. Here plus 7 is there now, so minus 7. So here 0 anyway we will put, 1 plus 0 is 4. After that 4 into 4, 16. So otherwise if you feel it is difficult, what you can do is simultaneously we can do that. Yeah, now we will finish it. 4 into 4 is 16, adding these two, 16 4 is 64. Here it will be, if you add these two, 60 will come. 60 into 4, So 16 to 4 will becomes 240. So 248. Again these two. So by quadratic factor it is not the correct way. Sorry. Yeah. Now in the quadratic factor like this we can. First here you can put 4, minus 4 is there means plus 4. Here plus 7 is there means minus 7. First here you can put zeros both. Add these 1. 1 into 4 is 4, you can write here. I hope you understand that. Again I am writing. Next 1 into 4 is adding these two, 0 plus 4. 1 into minus 7 is here, it will come. 1 into 4 is 4, 0 plus 4 is again 1 into, here you can put 0, start with here 0. So adding these values 4 simultaneously. Suppose if you feel synthetic division is difficult, first I will do it synthetic division. If you are not, that also I will do it easily, understand. So 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. Next here 1 into minus 7, here minus 7. Second step. Next 4, if you add all these, what you will get? Minus 11 plus 16, that plus 5 will come. 5 into 4, 20. Next 5 in 4 into minus 7, minus 28. If you add all, 0 will come here. Even in the next step itself, 0 into 4, 0. 5 into minus 7, minus 35. If you add these two, again 0. So 4 and minus 7, these are the already factors. So x square, this is x quadratic term, this is linear term, this is constant term. So we can write it as x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. So for these factors we can write it as x is equal to minus b plus or minus. So minus 4 plus or minus root over b square 16 minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 5 by 2a, 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 20 is minus 4. Minus means I square. 4 you can take outside. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus I into 2 by 2. Take LCM. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus or minus I by 2. 2 get cancelled. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus I. So these are the factors. One is minus 2 plus I. Another one is x is equal to minus 2 minus I. These are the factors. So already we got the factors, that is x square minus 4x plus 7. So that for that roots are given as 2 plus I root 3, 2 minus I root 3, and these are all. Therefore the roots of the, before that, suppose if you don't want this method, dear students, what you will do is, or that x power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x plus 35 is there, no? For this actual division also we can do by x square minus 4x plus 7. X square minus 4x plus 7. So how many times is going to divide? X square times x power 4. X square into minus 4x cube. X square into 7, 7x square. So while subtracting, sign change, minus plus minus. So plus 4x cube minus 4x square plus 7, minus 7x square minus 11x square plus 8x plus 35. No, here not 35. So 8x down. So here x cube is there now. So we will multiplying with plus 4x. So 4x into x square, 4x cube. 4x into minus 4x, minus 16x square. 4x into 7 plus 28x. So while subtracting, sign change. These two will be cancelled. 16 minus 11 is 5, 5x square minus 20x. Here plus 35, take down. So how many times? Plus 5 times. 5 into x square, 5x square minus 5 into 20x, 5 into 7, 35. So while subtracting, all sign change. So the f of x value we can express as the product of these two values. So therefore x power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x plus 35 can be written as x square minus 4x plus 7 into x square plus 4x plus 5. So already for this roots are 2 minus root I root 3, 2 plus I root 3. For this we need to calculate. So we already calculated the roots here. Minus 2 plus I, minus 2 minus I. This is the way also we can go, dear students. Or I mentioned, that is your wish, by taking synthetic division by quadratic equation, or like this. Therefore ultimately I am writing here the roots of two methods I introduced here, whichever the easy for you that you can do. The roots of the given equation f of x equal to 0 or 2 plus or minus I root 3 and minus 2 plus or minus I. So these are the roots. We'll move to the next question. The next question, number 31. Find the polynomial equation whose roots are the translations of the roots of equation x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11 equal to 0 by minus 2. So we need to do this type of question. This is one of the important type questions. So first what we have to write, the given equation, it is represented as f of x, given polynomial equation. First thing, given polynomial equation, f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11 equal to 0. Put that as equation number 1. Next, f of x equal to 0 now. Here the equation whose roots are translates the equation whose roots are the translates of the roots of f of x equal to 0 by minus 2 is, so whenever it is minus 2, f of x plus 2 equal to 0. Here the formula h is equal to here minus 2, f of minus x minus h, x minus of minus, f of x plus h. So f of x plus 2 equal to 0 means in place of x substitute x plus 2 and simplify, you will get the answer. But it will take time, x plus 2 whole power 4, x plus 2 whole power 3, we need to expand, no? So for that one procedure will be there. That procedure we will do by like a diminution method. We will do this by first considering like synthetic division only. First x power 4 coefficient here, next x power 3 coefficient, next x square coefficient, next x coefficient, after that constant. Here x minus dividing by minus 2 translates by minus 2 is there now. So whenever it is minus 2, here you can take as 2, like synthetic division we have to do that. 0, adding these to 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, adding minus 5 plus 2 that is minus 3, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, so minus 17 plus 2 is minus 15, minus 15 into 2. So minus 15 into 2 is minus 30. So adding minus 30 and plus 11, that is equal to 19. That also minus. This we can take as here fourth equation, no, biquadratic equation. So it will take as A4. Dear students, you remember. So next, again by synthetic division, again by 2. 0, 1, 1 into 2 minus 1, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So minus 17. This is equal to A3. Like this till A0 we will do that. Again by synthetic division, 0 here, 1 plus 0, 1, 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is again plus 1. So this value is A2. Again by doing synthetic division, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 3, adding this 3 value is equal to A1. Again, but for this we can do that by synthetic division, adding here put 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 2. So here not there means lost 1 only, it will balance, that is A0 we can write. Whatever we wrote that f of x plus 2 equal to 0 as that x plus 2 we can write it as so A0 x power 4 plus A1 x power 3, like this way it will go. A2 x power 2, A3 x plus A4 is equal to 0. This is the way we can write it. That is, A0 means what? 1. 1 into x power 4. A cube, A1 value is 3. So plus 3x cube. A2 value is 1. 1 into x square. A3 value is minus 17. So minus 17 into x. A4 value is minus 19. So minus 19 equal to 0. I hope you people understand this, students. We'll move on to the next question, that is prison. So next, if the letters of the word prison are permuted in all possible ways and the words thus formed or arranged in dictionary order, then find the rank of the word. So first given word you have to write it. For that dictionary order also we can write. This is the given word. And a dictionary order also. So what is the word here? Prison. The order in the dictionary, that is first I will come, after that N, after that O, after that P, after that R, after that S. Now we will do the procedure. So how we will move that? First, in the given word, P is in the first place. In the dictionary order, it is there in the fourth place. So the number of words which are begin with I, the number of words which are begin with N, the number of words which are begin with O. First you have to write it with this. After that P we can fix there. Again the number of words which are begin with PI, PN, PO till the number will come PR. So first we will write it. The number of words, here NO like this hyphen is given means number of, not no. The number of words begin with I. So I start means remaining 5 places are there. It can be done in 5 factorial ways. So similarly, the number of words which are begin with N, the number of words which are begin with, I am not writing complete statement, number of words begin with N now. So N, if you start with N, the remaining 5 places are there, no? That can be done in 5 factorial ways, 5p4, 5p5 ways. Next, the number of ways, the number of words begin with O. So these 5 places can be done in 5 factorial ways. After that, the number of words which are begin with P, you can fix it and again start with PI, PN, PO. Next, the number of words begin with PI. So PI, if you fix is remaining 4 letters are there, N, O or S. These 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Next, the number of words begin with PN. Again, it is in 4 factorial ways. PN, other than PN, remaining I, O or S, it can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Next, the number of words begin with PO. So the rest of the 4 elements can be, 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Next, it will be in the order PR only, no? So PR is already there in the word. So PR, again you can come to the first, PRI. Even PRI is also there in the word, given word. So the word which are begin with PRN, PRIN, PRI fix, PRIN. The number of words begin with PRIN. So PRIN means till you have to write PRIS, till you have to write. So the PRIN means the remaining 2 places only, no? Not 3 places. The 2 places can be done in 2 factorial ways. Next, the number of words begin with PRIO. So this can be done in 2 ways, and the number of ways or the number of words begin with so PRIO is already over, no? So PRIS is there already. If you start with again PRISN, PRISN will be there. So begin with PRISN. PRISN. It only one letter is pending, so that one letter can be arranged in 1 factorial ways. So PRISN. PRISN. Next PRSIO. PRSIO is there. Next word is prison only, no? So the number of words begin with prison. So it can be done in 0 factorial ways. No letters are all letters fulfilled, no? So 0 factorial. So therefore this is the required word that is prison. Therefore the rank of the word is equal to 5 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 5 factorial. That means 3 into 5 factorial plus how many 4 factorials are there? 3 times of 4 factorial plus 2 times of 2 factorial plus 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. So which is equal to 3 times of 5 factorial means 120 plus 3 into 4 factorial means 24 plus 2 into 2 factorial means 2 plus 1 factorial means 1, 0 factorial means 1. So 120 into 3, so 360 plus 24 into 3, 72, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 plus 1. So 360 plus 72, 432 plus 8, so not 6, so which is equal to 438. Therefore the rank of the word prison is 438. By practicing it will be easy, dear students. Number of problems are there, master, remaster, like this you can prepare and practice. And one complete video based on ranks. First I have taken 2 letter, 3 letter word, 4 letter word, 5 letter word, like this I explained with shortcuts. One exclusive video you can see in my playlist, dear students. We'll move to the next question, number 33. Yeah, the next question. Find numerically greatest terms in the expansion 3x minus 4y whole power 14 when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 3. So first in this solution, question number 33, given expansion you have to write, and that expansion you have to write in terms of 1 minus x whole power n. So given expansion, three x minus 4y whole power 14. So I already said that 3x I am taking common here. 1 minus 4y by 3x whole power 14. So this can be written as 3x whole power 14. That means 3 power 14 into x power 14. 1 minus 4y by 3x whole power 14. Now which is equal to 3 power 14 into x power 14 into 1 minus capital X whole power 14, where that capital X is equal to 4y divided by 3x. This is the way you can write the first thing. So that x value, capital X value, how to calculate? So given, since the values of x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 3, small values, so substitute here 4 into 3 by 3 into 8. So 3 get cancelled, 4 1s are 4 2s are. So capital X is equal to 1 by 2 only, no? So in place of capital X, 1 by 2 we will write in the coming steps, and the power n is equal to, and the whole power n is equal to 14. First you need to calculate the expansion clearly. So therefore 3x minus 4y whole power 14 can be written as 3 power 14, that x value, small x value is what, 8. 8 power 14 into 1 minus capital X, don't write the capital X, like this only can leave it, whole power 14. So this expansion is equal to this one. So for this we need to calculate the greatest numerically term. So for that we need to calculate the value of m. So what is m here? Consider the value m. This m is equal to small n plus 1 into capital X mod capital X by capital X plus 1 value. Based on this value of m, we decide that whether this expansion contains two numerically greatest terms or more than one greatest term. We will observe that. See here, the calculation is going on here. N is equal to 14. So 14 plus 1 into mod x is 1 by 2 by mod x is plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So anyway mod means we can consider anyway positive. So 15 into 1 by 2 is 15 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. 15 by 3 which is equal to 5. So m value we got it as integer. So therefore m is equal to 5 is an integer. So whenever integer we got it, so tm and tm plus 1 are numerically greatest terms, NGTs. Suppose if it is not an integer, only tm plus 1 is the numerically greatest terms. Now we will calculate tm and tm plus 1. So tm, that is equal to case 1 t5 equal to, t5 can be written as t4 plus 1 only, no, it is in the form of tr plus 1. So we know that how to write NC or plus 1. So here the expansion is, we already wrote that 3x minus 4y whole power 14. T4 plus 1. For this, this constant also included, dear students, whenever you are writing. So before only you write that 3 power 14 into 8 power 14. Now the rest of the situation we can write NCR. N is equal to 14. R is equal to this one in this case. So NCR means 14C4 1 power n minus r, that means 14 minus 4, and x, here x means capital X, whole power r value is 4, into this expansion is minus x na, so minus 1 whole power r means what, 4. I hope you people understand, which is equal to 3 power 14 into 8 power 14, 14C14 so 1 power anything is 1 only. X value, capital X is equal to what? 1 by 2. We already wrote that. 1 by 2 whole power 4. Minus 1 whole power 4 is also plus 4 only will come. Now simplification. You can leave it like this. Why? Because we cannot 3 into here first 14C4 we can write it. 3 power 14 into 8 power 14. 3 into 8 24. 24 power 14 into 1 by 2 whole power 4 means by 2 power 4. We cannot simplify. Why? Because big values will come now. We can leave it. Next tm plus 1, second case. Tm plus 1. So that is equal to T5 plus 1. So it is R is equal to 5 in this case. So 3 power 14 into 88 power 14 is common. Here R is equal to 5, even odd number. 14C5, 1 power 14 minus 5 into capital X whole power 5 minus 1 whole power 5. So minus 1 whole power 5 is minus. Directly first I am writing 3 into 8, 24 whole power 14 into 14C5, 1 power anything is 1 only, into 1 by 2 whole power 5. So which is equal to 14C5 minus 14C5, 24 power 14 by 2 power 5. So which two are numerically greatest terms? I hope you people understand, dear students. This is the way we can do that. If it is integer, Tm and Tm plus 1 are numerically greatest terms. If it is not an integer, only Tm plus 1 is the numerically greatest terms. We will move on to the next question, dear students. Question number 34. In a box containing 15 bulbs, 5 are defective. If 5 bulbs are selected at random from the box, then find the probability of the event that none of them is defective, only one of them is defective, at least one of them is defective. So here total 3 questions are there. One by one we will do it, dear students. So question number 34 solution. So total how many bulbs are there? 15 bulbs are there. Out of 15 bulbs, 5 are defective. 5 are defective. So therefore the good bulbs, non-defective or good bulbs. So 10 bulbs are good bulbs or non-defective bulbs. So from 10, number of ways of selecting, the number of ways of selecting 5 bulbs out of 15 is total number of it is n of s. So from 15 we can select 5 in 15C 5 ways. These are the total number of this. Now come to the question number 1, Roman letter 1 it is. None of the bulbs is defective. The question is none of the bulbs or none of them is defective. Simply none of them is defective. So how many defective bulbs are there? 5. How many good bulbs are there? 10. So for none of the bulbs to be defective, all the 5 bulbs must be selected from 10 good bulbs. So none of them is defective here. None of them is defective. So none of them is defective means non-defective values we can take. So out of 10 non-defective bulbs, out of 10 non-defective bulbs, we can select 5 bulbs in 10C5 ways. So this event, if you are assuming that as A, this is P of n of A will come. So n of A is equal to A be the event of selecting the non-defective bulbs. None of them is defective means no bulb is defective. So non-defective. So n of A is equal to 10C5. So the probability they are asking. Therefore, the probability of the bulb, none of them is defective. P of A is equal to n of A by n of S. So n of A is equal to 10C5 by n of S is 15C5, which is equal to 10C5, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So 5, 1 into 2 into 3 into 5, that here 5 cancel. Here 15C5, here also by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we can write. Anyway in the denominator also it will come now, so we can cancel it like this way. 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. So if you simplify, here 5 3s are 5 2s are 6 into 2 12. So 3 into 3 cancel. Next 2 4s are 2 7s are. So here 7 cancel. So 3 into 4 is 12 by 11 into 13 is 143. So therefore P of A is equal to 12 by 143. So first question is over. Next in this second question, only one of them is defective. So second one, only one of them is defective. Only one of them is defective means how many defective bulbs are there? 5 defective bulbs are there. So total only one of them is defective, but we have to select 5 bulbs now. So out of 5 defective bulbs, one can be selecting in 5C1 ways, and the remaining 4 from 10 non-defective bulbs. In 10C4 ways. Therefore, this is B. If you assume that n of B is equal to 5C1 into 10C4. So 5c1 means 5. 10c4 means 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. 4 into 2, 8, we can cancel it. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So if you multiply these 21 into 5, so 105 into 10 is 1050. This is about n of b. So therefore p of b, the probability of only one of them is defective is p of b is equal to n of b by n of s. These questions which are there in our channel, probability in that exercise 9b, it is there. Go to the playlist and watch, dear students. And board I explained clearly, those who want. So n of b is 1050 divided by 15c5, which is equal to 1050 into, here not here, 15c5 means 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 by 1 2 3 4 5, denominator of denominator, numerator, no? So 1 2 3 4 5. So here 3 into 4, 15 cancel. Next 4 3s are, so 2 7s are. So we have the values. Even here 1050 is there now. So it will be divisible by 3. Is it? So 3 1s, 3 3s, 3 5s. So 3 times of 350. So 7 table, 7 1s are 7 50s. So in the numerator 50 divided by, in the denominator 13 into 11, 143. So therefore p of b is equal to, so next last one, the third one, Roman letter 3 in this question. The probability of at least one of them is defective. At least one of them is defective. So at least one of them is defective means the probability of at least one of them is defective is equal to 1 minus probability of none of them is defective. None of them is defective. Logically, you think, dear students. So 1 minus probability of none of them is defective, we did know here. None of them is defective. 12 by 143 only now. So directly we can write that 12 by 143. So which is equal to, LCM is 143. 143 minus 12, which is equal to 131 by 143. None of them is defective means from the first result. We have 12 by 143. I hope you people understand, these students. Once you go through that slowly, only thing is you need to understand the question and thoroughly do it. We'll move to the question number the next question number 35. If A, B, C are 3 independent events of a random experiment such that P of A intersection B complement intersection C complement equal to 1 by 4, P of A complement intersection B intersection C complement equal to 1 by 8, P of A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement equal to 1 by 4. Then find P of A, P of B and P of C. So it's a very easy and important question, dear students. Given that A, B, C are independent events, whenever A, B, C are independent events, A, B, C are independent, then A complement, like this we can write now, A complement, B complement, C complement are also independent events. So now independent definition, we know that if A, B are said to be independent events, we can express as the probability of P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Like this way, given that A, B, C are independent events, what values are there? One by one we will write it. P of A intersection B complement intersection C complement is equal to 1 by 4. We can write it as, whenever they are independent events, P of A intersection B complement intersection C complement can be written as P of A into P of B complement into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 4. Keep that equation number 1. Next, P of A complement intersection B intersection C complement is equal to 1 by 8. That implies that P of A complement into P of B into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 8. Next, P of A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement is equal to 1 by 4. That implies that, so P of A complement intersect into P of B complement into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 4. Equation number 3. So logically, if you go, dear students, step by step, generally what I will do is, in this after writing of these steps, equation 1 by equation 3. LHS side, RHS side, you can write it. P of A into P of B complement into P of C complement by P of A complement into P of B complement into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 by 4. So here P of C complement, P of C complement, P of B complement, P of B complement cancel. So P of A divided by P of A complement is equal to 1. That implies that P of A is equal to P of A complement. We know that P of A complement can be written as 1 minus P of A. So minus P of A we can take this side. So P of A plus P of A is equal to 1. So 2 times of P of A is equal to 1. So P of A is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the way we can. Similarly, equation 2 by equation 3. Equation 2 by equation 3 will do it. Equation 2 means P of A complement, okay. So P of A complement into P of B into P of C complement by P of A complement into P of B complement into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 1 by 8 by 1 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are, ultimately 1 by 2 will come. P of C bar, P of C bar, P of A bar, P of A bar cancel. Here we'll get P of B. P of B by P of B complement is equal to 1 by 2. So cross multiplying 2 times of P of B is equal to P of B complement. So 2 times of P of B is equal to 1 minus P of B. So minus P of B we can take this side. 2 P of B plus P of B is equal to 1. 3 times of P of B is equal to 1. So P of B is equal to 1 by 3. So P of A value we got it. P of B also we got it. Next, in the sorry, these values P of A, P of B, these values substitute in P of in either 1 or 2 or 3, any one of them you can take. Better to take as the first one. So P of B is 1 by 3, obviously P of B complement 1 minus P of B only, no? So 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. So this is P of B complement. So equation 1 implies that in equation 1 what values are there? P of A into P of B complement into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 4. So P of A value we got it as 1 by 2. P of B complement we got it. Complement means here dot. Both are same only. So P of B complement is 2 by 3. P of C complement is equal to 1 by 4. So here 2 get cancelled. 3 we can take here. P of C complement is equal to 3 by 4. That implies that 1 minus P of C is equal to 3 by 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to P of C. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 4 is equal to P of C. So therefore the required probabilities, therefore the values of P of A is equal to 1 by 2, P of B is equal to 1 by 3, and P of C is equal to 1 by 4. They are asking to find these values only. We got it here, students. So once again just I'll scroll up the question. Next, the question number 36. See the next question. Let x be a random variable such that P of x is equal to minus 2, that is equal to P of x is equal to minus 1, that is equal to P of x is equal to 2, that is equal to P of x is equal to 1, and which are all equal to 1 by 6, and P of x is equal to 0 is 1 by 3. This is the information is given. According to that, we can draw the table. It will be very easy for us. So here P of capital X is equal to R. Here probability of X is equal to R. So minus 2 minus 1 2, 1, 0 is there. So total 5. So here P of x is equal to x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. So probability of x is equal to minus 2, how much it is? 1 by 6. Probability of x is equal to minus 1, that also 1 by 6. Probability of x is equal to 2, x is equal to 0 is 1 by 3 here. Probability x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 is also 1 by 6, 2 is also 1 by 6. I hope you understand how to write this table. They are asking to calculate mean value, the mean of the random variable. So mean formula, mean is equal to, it is denoted by mu, and the definition for this is sigma, here minus 2 to 2 plus 2. So r is equal to minus 2 to plus 2, x is equal to xi into p of x is equal to x, or p of x is equal to r. Xi means this value r only, that is r into. So we will do that as minus 2 into 1 by 6 plus minus 1 into 1 by 6 plus 0 into 1 by 3 plus 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6. So which is equal to minus 2 by 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 0 plus 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. So plus 2 by 6 minus 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 0. So all values 0. Therefore, the mean value goes to be 0. Next, variance. Variance of the variance. Sigma square. So sigma r is equal to minus 2 to 2. Here xi square, that means r square, into p of x is equal to r minus mu square, which is equal to, so minus 2 whole square into 1 by 6 minus 1 whole square into 1 by 6 plus 0 square into 1 by 3 plus 1 square into 1 by 6 plus 2 square into 1 by 6. So 4 into 1 by 6 is 4 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 0 plus 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6. So after taking LCM 6 here, 4 plus 4 plus 2, 8, so total 10. 10 by 6. 10 by 6 means 5 by 3. So therefore sigma square or variance is equal to 5 by 3. I hope you people understand this, students. According to this, we can do. We'll move on to the last question in this session and in the question paper itself. The next question: if the difference between the mean and variance of a binomial variate is 5 by 9, then find the probability for the event of two successes when the experiment is conducted 5 times. So given that the experiment conducted 5 times, so the number of times conducted the experiment is, so n is equal to number of times conducted the experiment. 5. N is equal to 5. Next, let P be the parameter of binomial distribution. Even Q also. Let P comma Q are parameters of binomial distribution. So that means it follows binomial distribution. Like this we can write now. Binomial follows n comma p. It follows. Where, and we know that p plus q is always equal to 1 also. Given that, this is the first two steps, important steps. Given that the difference of mean and variance, mean is denoted by mu, variance is denoted by sigma square, is equal to 5 by 9. Mean and variance. Mean of the random binomial variate is what? NP. Sigma square is the variance, it is NPQ, is equal to 5 by 9. From these two take common NP. So 1 minus Q is equal to 5 by 9. Since we have P plus Q is equal to 1, so P is equal to 1 minus Q. In place of 1 minus Q, we write it as P. So NP into P is equal to 5 by 9. Since the value of the experiment was conducted 5 times, N is equal to 5. So 5P square is equal to 5 by 9. 5 get cancelled. P square is equal to 1 by 9. That implies that P is equal to 1 by 3. So P value we got it. And N is equal to 5. So Q value also we can get it. So therefore Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3. So Q is equal to 2 by 3. P value we got it. Q value also we got it. After that, they are asking to calculate, find the probability for the event to success here. For the event to success. So how to write? So the probability of 2 success means we can write like this one. P of x is equal to 2. Write in the matter means the probability of the event, the probability of the event of 2 successes, of 2 successes is P of x is equal to 2. P of x is equal to 2. This is the question mark. We have P of x is equal to R in the binomial distribution formula. NCR P power n minus R Q power R. So they are asking here P of x is equal to 2. N value we know that, P value also we know that, and R value also we know that R is equal to 2. So 5C2 P value is 1 by 3 whole power 5 minus 2 into Q value 2 by 3 into R value is 2. So 5C2 means 10. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. 1 by 3 whole power 3. So here students, I forgot. So dear students, here p power r q power n minus r. Sorry. So based on that it will change. So p value is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. R value is 2. Even here also. So here 2 by 3 whole power n minus r. N means 5 minus 2. So 2 by 3 whole power 3. So it will become as 10. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 1 by 3 square means 1 by 9. 2 by 3 whole cube means 8 by 27. So which is equal to 8 into 10 is 80 by 9 sevens are 63. So 9 into 2, 18 into 6, 24. So 243. So therefore the probability of the event 2 successes is 80 by 243. NCR is equal to p power r q power n minus r. Yeah, you people understand it, students? Once again I'll revise. Thank you, dear students. All the best from our channel. Thank you all.